Hi! In front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Start by opening Recorder app. And if you never used it before, select Allow in the pop-ups. Now, to start recording, click on this blue button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same blue button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the right one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to, you can always play it by clicking on it. You can always hold it and then click on Rename at the bottom in the middle in order to pick the perfect label for you. And save it by hitting OK. You can also hold it and this time choose Delete at the bottom in order to get rid of it. When you're ready, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!